So yeah, I'm sitting in the Schnucks parking lot. We just did some last minute grocery shopping. Drove here, no problems. And we try to leave and our car won't start. And it's 5 years old. Robert just checked the battery. So it's the battery. There was no warning.
That explains it.
We're 100%, we're 99.9% sure it's the battery. So luckily I have AAA and I just called and they said they're going to be here in 15 minutes. So let's see. Probably have to get a new battery. Like Robert just looked, it's 5 years old. And I think they say every 3 years to get it.
Yeah.
So hopefully that's just the battery. Otherwise, this is a very crappy start to the day. You like that sound? It's our car running. So AAA got here in 15 minutes, which is pretty amazing. But his shop's right down the street on Manchester. That's the benefit of living on Manchester. And it was the battery, and we just told him to replace it because it's 5 years old and I'm not taking. He could have charged it for free because I have AAA membership, but you know what? It's getting cold. I'm not taking the chance. It's time to be replaced. And he did it, and he accepts credit card, and after taxes it's like $200. Well worth it because there's no way we're gonna get into a mechanic shop the week of Christmas.
We're here to help.
I say we're not gonna go to a mechanic shop. Technically, Bob can replace the battery. Battery's easy replacement. You just go to like, what's a parts store around here? AutoZone. He's done it before, but again,
Or Walmart. You can go to Walmart. They have batteries.
Walmart. It's the week of Christmas. It's worth it paying him to take care of it for us. And he was super nice and super quick. As AAA is helping us out, here is the fire department. I don't know what's going on. If they're just going in to get some lunch, or there's 3 of them. I'm assuming they're just grabbing lunch, and but Deerbergs is pretty busy. Schnucks. I'm at Schnucks. Sorry, it's been a rough day. But yes, it's a lunch break.
We need to have one of those jump start things.
Yes, we need to have jump start thing in our car. We did not. So, lesson learned.